Hi everyone and welcome. So the first two spots we have here happened in September, and unfortunately for whatever reason I didn't save the registrations of these, and then the third one, which we do get the registration for, happened at the beginning of October as it was flying over a different angle to normal. So I think it was heading towards Lincolnshire. So thank you very much for watching, and really appreciate you taking your time out your day to watch it. Thank you and have a great day. That's HLE54 in the sky once again. It's been around a lot over the last few weeks.